Hi guys, welcome to the Honda Pavilion at EICMA, and what we have in front of us is the first electric motorcycle from Honda in production, guys. It is called the WN7, and we met the designer and the chief engineer for this motorcycle, Tanaka-san, and he said that Honda went for a naked profile in terms of the design language because he wanted to show the battery pack and make sure there is distinction between this and an ICE motorcycle. I think in terms of design, he has done a great job. This motorcycle looks futuristic, modern and very funky. Talking about the specs, it gets a 8.4 kilowatt hour battery pack. This is a high voltage architecture, 340 volts, because of which this gets a CCS2 charger, something that we have seen on cars. So again, you can go to a public charger and charge this motorcycle. Talking about specifications, it has a top speed of 129 kph and the claimed range of 140 kilometers. 20 to 80% charge can be done around 30 minutes because it supports DC fast charging. In terms of the styling also, nice one-piece seat, looks nice. For me, personally, the favorite design element is on this side. It gets a single-sided swing arm and the rear alloy wheel, you can see, is completely visible. Very cool, very nice. And in terms of the kit, you get a nice TFT instrument console. The switchgear is also similar to what we have seen on the Honda ICE motorcycles. And about this motorcycle coming to India, we don't think so it is coming to India because of the pricing. This motorcycle is about 15,000 euros, and at that price point it doesn't make sense in India. But in terms of an approach what Honda has created, this is like their initial days of electrification. We can see multiple variants in the future, but as a first attempt, it is very cool, it is very nice. So what's your take on the Honda WN7? Do let us know in the comments.